Welcome to Techietalkee. Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to explain about the bitwise operators, which are also called the binary operators. Bitwise operators are used in encryption, error detection, embedded systems, computer graphics, network protocols, and also to control physical devices. Actually, these bitwise operators make the code faster and more efficient. Bitwise operators in Python work on integers. The integer value is first converted to a binary value and the operators are performed on those bits. First, we need to understand how to convert an integer value to a binary value. For example, I want to convert 25 to a binary value. So what I'll do is, I'll divide 25 by 2. I'll keep dividing it till I get the remainder to be 1 or 0. First, I'll be dividing 25 by 2. So the quotient that I'll get is 12 and the remainder is 1. Now I'll divide 12 again by 2 and the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 0. So I'll keep doing it till I get the quotient and the remainder to be either 1 or 0. So first we have got it in this order 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And the way to convert it to a binary value is that we have to write it down in the reverse order. So I have to go from down. So the binary value of 25 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. In Python, we have a bin function that will help us find out the binary value of the corresponding integer value. Let me show you with an example. So I'll give a equal to 25 and then I'm going to print the binary value of 25, which is a. As you can see here, I have got the binary value of 25. Python always prefixes 0b to a binary value, stating that it is a binary value and not an integer value. The binary value that we have got here is that 11001, which is the same as what we have got here. We should also understand how to convert a binary number to an integer number. We know that the binary value of 25 is 11001. Let's consider the same example 11001 and we'll try to find out the integer value of it. So the way to do it is the last digit will be multiplied by 2 to the power 0. The previous digit will be multiplied by 2 to the power 1 and it keeps going. So in this case, we have 1 which is multiplied by 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So which is 1 into 1 which is 1. The next value is 0. The bit 0 is multiplied by 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 0 which is 0. Next one we have 0. We are going to multiply 0 with 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4, but since it's multiplied by 0, we are getting 0. Next, we have 1, which will be multiplied by 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. So 8 into 1, which is equal to 8. Similarly, we have this 1, which will be multiplied by 2 power 4. 2 power 4 into 1. So 2 power 4 is 16 into 1, which is 16. So the integer value will be the sum of these numbers, which is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16, which is 25. In Python, we can retrieve an integer value from the binary value using the int function and by passing the base 2. As you can see here, I have the binary value which is 11001, which I am assigning to a variable a, and then I am printing the value of the corresponding integer. So it will be int of a comma 2. When I execute this code, I can see that 25 gets printed. So this is the method to convert an integer value to a binary value, and a binary value to an integer value. In general, bitwise operators work on two operands. The rules on which the output value gets produced is based on the truth table. And the various bitwise operators that we have here are AND, OR, XOR, NOT, and the shift operators. In the subsequent videos, I'll explain about each of these bitwise operators in detail with examples. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.